What did you say, Jesse? What's the first question? Well, I read through 8 pages of questions, and I first have to start by saying is welcome to the winter season. Merry holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa. So after reading through 8 pages of Q&As or Q's or questions, I can't get through some of the terms. Let's start with tree splits, fairy knots, hydro fatigue, and silk press. I know some of you have come to become familiar and normalize some of the terms, but a silk press, a tree split, hydro fatigue, science. Now y'all, science. Moisture, water, H2O, it's humidity, it's condensation, it's rain, it's mist, it's water. Water does not dry out hair. You not using or knowing how to use water. You can't over water your hair. It's just not possible. Water is a source of hydration. So how is hydration fatigue for naturally dry textures applicable? How does that make sense? It doesn't. Hydro fatigue might get you a nice blowout and a flat iron, which is called now a silk press. Okay. Silk presses are great. I heard the term first used about 7 years ago by a hairdresser who wouldn't tell me this special technique or service that they offer their clients. It was in Atlanta at a talking tea, texture talking tea that I did. And I said, well, tell me more about this process, this silk press that you do. What is involved? Oh, it's just a special service that we offer our clients that are natural. Okay. Come to find out, it wasn't nothing but a blow dry and a flat iron. I guess I'm as confused as the average consumer who is trying to find their way or navigate through this convoluted, gimmick-driven industry or market where these taglines are stole from the natural hair community, this online community, which is great, but it also, a lot of these terms are just made up and stolen and used by these big manufacturers to market products to you, and it's just vicious cycle of information where someone stole a term to market to make you spend more money instead of you understanding your natural texture. And a fairy knot and a tree split, child, is a damn split end that requires a haircut. That's all. So I hope this helps you to get softer hair through hydrotherapy, not fatigue. Don't get fatigued by your hydrotherapy. And don't get fairy knot and tree splits. And not get a haircut. Thank you. Next.